Alright folks, yeah, I look pretty goofy, sorry. Long and short, hold on, this looks blurry. I got rainbows behind me and everything, nice. Long and short, we got a, can you see this vehicle? Got a 04 Envoy XL leaky sunroof, okay? So, 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. I used the ratchet driver and then finished it off with the nut driver there. Screws, yeah. 1, 2. Same on the other side. Just pop the roof out. It's there on the roof. I saw some other fella did his very pretty BMW wagon with this method, so I thought I'd give it a shot. First I tried going down through. Hey, see that orange? That's the weed whacker tape. Yeah, now. So anyway, first I tried shoving down from above, hit a blockage. So then I thought maybe this thing is hanging out the bottom of the truck. I can find out where it is. I opened the door and I saw this tube sticking out the side of the fender frame, and I thought, well, duh, it's right there. So I started feeding it up there. This thing doesn't like your hand, and I tried to get it off quick and easy. I don't even know how it comes off, so I just left it on and hurt myself over and over again. But anyway, fed this up. I got about 4 feet up in there. It goes up the column and out the tray, and pardon the wobble cam here. And anyway, that's the finished destination. I'm gonna whip this out of there, and then I'm gonna whip out the other side, because actually that's the culprit that's leaking worst. This one's just easier to get to. So as you can see, the passenger side has a more significant problem. So where's that thing? There's the extension tube coming out. It's kind of hard and brittle. It might even be broken, sure hope not. Anyway, I'm gonna snake this up it and down it and over it and twist it and probably yell at it a little bit and see if I can get this cleared out. All right, so there it is, underwater. See, I don't know if you can see, sorry. Anyway, I'll try to get a light down in there. Down in that little groove is a channel that is completely underwater. So, let's see if I can snake down from the top. Alright, so I snaked in about 2 inches and I heard it whistle and drain like a toilet. And it all hosed out the bottom of the door. Okay. However, just because I am who I am, I'm not satisfied until I see it poking out the bottom of the other side. So I've hit a roadblock here just due to the tension of the, well, I'm getting a little play here. There we go, I can't get much farther. Let's see. It's still not out the bottom. So I kind of want to feed it back up the top like I did the other side, just to be 100% sure. Alright, so as much as I hated doing it, we got it up through the other side. Let's see if we can see down in there. Can you see? Yep, there it is. See a little whip? So I came up from the door jamb, through the column, out the tray. Hopefully I don't get rain in my stinking cabin no more. And of course, I gotta get the sunroof back on before the storm hits. Overcoming the curse. God's grace to y'all.